Coalition brings the best of both worlds, insurance and technology, and this is a company that has a lot of big connections where you can still learn quite a bit.
It's exciting, it's new, it's different, and everyone just works hard to work together. We have each other's backs, we have one goal in mind, and that's to solve cyber risk.
And should really look forward to making a difference, being the difference, and seeing the difference.
The beauty of having a company who trusts me to work independently to still get the job done, but also provide me the flexibility to still have a life. Coalition's motto is we sweep the floors. That is our culture through and through. We're doing everything we can to not only take care of the end customer, but also take care of one another.
Everyone is on an equal playing field. No one is above a task. They're going to continue just booming in the market. Once you're on the ride, there's going to be a lot of different places you can end up.
I really can't imagine spending the rest of my career doing anything else.
Our coalition.
Our coalition.
Our coalition.